Okay, problem 7 says, which of the following is a solution to the differential equation dy dx equaling 4x over y, where y of 2 equals -2? So I would recommend first finding the general solution to the differential equation by separating variables. Let's see, multiplying both sides by y and multiplying both sides by dx. And then from there, we would integrate both sides. On the left side, I'd have y squared over 2 plus a constant. On the right side, I'd have 2x squared plus a constant. I would merge the constants of integration. Let's double both sides. And then double whatever this constant is a new constant. And then let's square root both sides. Don't forget that plus or minus when you square root both sides. Okay. If you're having questions about this one, it's likely to do with the role of the plus or minus here. And here's how you decide which version you're going to need. They're saying that when you plug 2 in for x, you should get -2 out for y. And square roots, unless you say otherwise, are positive. So this negative here would be necessary for you to be plugging anything in and getting something negative out. So since y of 2, when you plug 2 in for x, you're supposed to get a negative number, that would mean that your rule would be the negative version of that expression. Okay, so now when you proceed, you could proceed from here, or you could even go back to an earlier stage in the problem if you'd like and use this initial condition here. So if I use the initial condition, I'd have -2 then would be the opposite of the square root of 4 times 2 squared plus whatever this constant is. So here's my general solution. Now that I've used the initial condition, I can get the particular solution. So, so at this point, let's see, we could square both sides or divide by the negative and then square both sides. Either way, you'll end up with, let's see, 4 if you square this side. And then if you square this side, you'd have the radicand, which simplifies to be 16 plus C4. So it looks like C4 would have to be -12. There we go. Okay, so then if we take this and then back substitute into where our general solution was, we'd find out that y would be the opposite of the square root of 4x squared minus 12. Which matches up with let's see, the only one that matches up as far as the rule goes is this guy right here. And then I'm pretty sure that this is just like a domain restriction type thing that we really, because we were able to rule all the other options out, we don't have to think too hard about that right now. All right, my friends, I hope this helps.